What's up guys, it's Dave from BeautyLovesTech, and today is the day that I received my Sony A7R V mirrorless camera, and I am about to unbox it for you here. This is the best early Christmas present ever. Alpha. Ta-da! Sony AR5, the latest and greatest Sony mirrorless camera out to date. So let's get going here. We have, let's see here, this little adapter thingamabobber. I don't know what it is. Some manuals and power cable and a genuine Sony strap for my camera and battery charger pack and a nice cable, USB-C to USB, and a genuine Sony battery, and here it is, what I've been waiting for, full frame heaven. Whoa, this thing is solid. Wow, this is amazing. This is so cool. I don't know how to use it because honestly, I'm new Sony guy. I'm a new Sony guy, yes, that's true. What I've been using before was my trusty Canon M50. So if you've seen my travel channel and other videos, you've seen footage from this guy. It's worked pretty good. And an assortment of lenses that I'm gonna have to get rid of all that stuff now because I got the best camera now, Sony. It's so awesome. Right here is the Sony G Master 50mm 1.2 lens. Comes with a lens hood. It is so cool. Well, I don't know how cool it is yet, but it looks super cool. And the Sony G Master 50mm 1.2 lens. It's pretty big. I mean, compared to my 50mm equivalent on an APC, it's this is 32mm, and this is equivalent 50mm on a full frame camera. It's huge. Not used to that, but I guess I will be getting used to it. Let's put this bad boy on here. Oh, one cool thing that I did get was the magnetic UV lens covers for my two lenses. I'm going to show you the second one in a minute. And they're so cool because they just snap on with a magnetic ring, and it even has a magnetic lens cover. So let's put this guy on here. Line up the dots. Give it a twist. Alrighty. There it is. Look at this guy. It's huge. This is a real camera. I can't believe I finally got a real camera to play with and do travel videos with, and tech videos too, because this is the BLT-Tech channel. But if you go to my BeautyLovesTech travel channel, you can see some travel footage too, which is probably take more advantage of this lens here. But all right, before we go, I want to show you my, oh, I keep going to that side, but it's really on this side. Another cool lens that I'm excited to try as soon as I get this camera. And it also came with the lens hood, and I got the magnetic lens covers for it, so that's pretty cool too. Not the G Master, but it's the Sony 20mm 1.8 G lens, and it's just got the black G instead of the red G. It should be pretty cool. Look how small this is. This is pretty nice to carry around, and you know, with the wider angle, should be pretty cool for vlogging, selfies and stuff. That's about it. Just wanted to show you my new toys for today, and hope you enjoyed this unboxing. I have another camera that I am going to have to unfortunately give away to a family or sell it on eBay. I'm not sure what. Sigma 16mm lens, Canon 22mm lens, Canon 32mm lens, the kit 15 to 45, the what is this, the 55 to 200mm Canon lens, and the Canon M50. So that will be going away. A little bit sad, but it's a little funny to switch over to the Sony, but I hear that Canon's restricting people from making lenses sometime in the future, if not already. And well, okay, enough about that. The A7, okay, it has this new model has 61 megapixels. It's a full frame. It's got the sensor shift 5-axis image stabilization, and it's supposed to be, this year it came up to the level of like the Canon R5 stabilization, so I'm expecting it to be really, really nice. Photo ISO is from 100 to 32,000 in manual mode. In automatic mode, it goes up to 102,400, which is pretty crazy. I imagine it takes good pictures even in high ISO. For video, 100 to 32,000 in manual mode. This camera shoots in JPEG and RAW. It's got a 14-bit depth, and the video capture, it shoots 10-bit 4K at 24 frames or 60 frames per second. So I'm excited about that. It shoots 8K at 24 frames per second. So that's pretty amazing too, because you can always shoot 8K and then you can crop in 100%, and you're still gonna have like 4K resolution. It's crazy. So the gamma curve that it shoots color profiles, Sony S-Log3, which I think is a new one. No flash, but we knew that. Battery type, the NP-FZ100 that I put in here already, and give you 440 shots. This camera is 5.3 by 3.8 by 3.2 deep, 1.6 pounds. It's gonna be fun trying this camera out and shooting some nice video with some nice full sensor, low aperture, high depth of field shots for you in my upcoming videos, so stay tuned for that. Well guys, I hope you enjoyed this quick unboxing of the Sony Alpha R7 V. Please like and subscribe, and also check out my travel channel, BeautyLovesTech. I'll leave a link down below, and look forward to seeing some footage from this camera in the upcoming videos. Alrighty, see ya.